In this video, you'll learn how to switch from a monthly plan to Mailchimp's pay-as-you-go plan. If your account is on a monthly plan, you can switch to pay-as-you-go at any time by purchasing credits. When you buy any number of credits, Mailchimp will immediately end your current monthly billing cycle and change the account over to pay-as-you-go. We recommend switching from monthly to pay-as-you-go toward the end of your billing period, so you can get the most use out of your current plan. Pay-as-you-go credits can only be applied to emails, and you'll need 1 credit for each email you send, including test emails, automations, and emails that bounced or were stopped due to compliance review. Credits are not deducted for sign-up form response emails. You'll want to make sure that you have enough credits in your account equal to or greater than the number of planned recipients before you send emails. If your monthly plan is pending an upgrade at the time of making this change, you'll need to pay for the difference in price of the monthly plan upgrade along with the pay-as-you-go credits. To purchase credits, click your profile name and choose Account. From there, click the Billing dropdown in the Account navigation bar and select Monthly Plans or Credits. Under the Convert to Pay-as-you-go section, click How many credits would you like to purchase? And choose a credit package. Pay-as-you-go credits cannot be used with any other Mailchimp pricing plan. You may also see localized rates in the credit blocks. Finally, review your transaction in the sidebar. Type in your CVV and click Complete Purchase. That's it. You've learned how to switch from a monthly plan to a pay-as-you-go plan. To learn more about the pay-as-you-go plan, check out our guides and tutorials.